beauty, huh? Oh my God. Super beautiful. Amazing Bridge of Lions at night. Wow. Woo. Many popcorn. It's so beautiful. I like the lights reflections here. So beautiful.
No, I don't think so.
This one is also beautiful in a different way, right?
Well, I was just not impressed with San Francisco.
But you're impressed of the Bridge of St. Augustine.
Oh yeah, well, what I've seen so far, I like it.
I can see, oh, it's so pretty. Look at those lights there. Oh my goodness. I remember the girls, like the one coming here, they're laughing.
Yeah.
That is, what is that? At the tower. And this amazing, amazing tower. Whoa. Wow. So beautiful. That's the tower, the tower. I guess that's the lioness. Is this the one?
Down at the end.
Oh, this is not, sorry. It's different. What kind of bridge is this? What's the name?
Drawbridge.
Huh?
Drawbridge.
Drawbridge.
It opens so that the ships through.
Oh, I thought it's, oh my goodness. It means I really not from here. Sure, all over. That's so stunning place, huh? Drawbridge here in St.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Super, super, extremely beautiful. Wow, such a beauty. And the full moon, look at the full moon. Ooh, ooh. It's very beautiful market, look.
I know.
Ooh.
Yeah, and look at
And the moon, that's the moon, that one, the moon, yeah, and the lights. This is the Bridge of Lions at night. Nightlife. Bridge of Lions evening. This is so beautiful, oh. Woo! What a beauty. Bridge of Lion. It's very beautiful in the evening.
Yeah, I know. That's why I wanted to do this.
Wow.
See the lights.
Yeah, so stunning. Looks like in the airport. The landing. The landing like that. Wow. Wow, that's so beautiful. It's the nightlife here in the Bridge of Lions. Hi, super stunning place. Those lights. Huh? It's very beautiful here, like from San Francisco. as if I've been there. Look at Markia, it's so stunning.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Look, and stunning. Wow, it's very beautiful place. It's not cold. It's not cold. Woo. Wow, so beautiful.